If your online store has a new look, and you have uploaded thousands of new products, your customers will be happy with your new site because of the way it looks, and the ease with which they can move around and shop. However, you need to update the thousands of products that were launched last year because they may not look the same, or because their descriptions are too outdated. So you need to find those products and update them so that your customers don't have bad experiences because of outdated products on your great new site. To help you with this, we show you how to find all the products modified a year ago using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can also export and import products using a CSV file. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You'll also find another link to visit our written tutorial. To search for products modified on a specific date, we must open the search tool. Take the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Then, select the Modified Date field. Choose the operator starts with. Now, enter the date using this format. And click on Run Search. Now you'll see all the products that were modified a year ago. The WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin simplifies your experience when managing thousands of products, as you can save a lot of hours and clicks. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.